Hi, this video is for hypothesis testing. I've sent an email with some notes on it and I think you should read that as well. I'm going to do this video in two parts just to make it easier to upload. Basically, your hypothesis testing is whenever we test a claim to find out if it's true. The claim's usually the mean value of some data, and we'll always assume that the claim's going to be true to begin with, and we call this the null hypothesis, or H naught. That's just up here. Then there's the counterpart of that. So if the claim happens to be false, so it's not true, then that's called your alternative hypothesis. That's your H1. So what we do then, we use the information that we're given and we set up our test statistic. That's that pink formula up there at the top. Put all your values under your test statistic, and that's going to calculate a Z-score for us. And then we compare that Z-score with a significance level, and the significance level can be 5%, 1%, 2%, anything like that. So we compare the Z-score that we calculate from the test statistic against the Z-score that we have with a 5% or whatever percent significance level. Now, if our Z-score is in the unshaded area, so if it's less than your Z statistic or your Z-score, if you're in the unshaded area, then the information, your hypothesis is true, you'll go ahead and you'll accept your H naught. But if you fall within that shaded area, then your hypothesis then has turned out to be false. So you'll accept your your alternative hypothesis, then you'll accept your H1. So if you're in the unshaded area, that's your null hypothesis, accept that. If you fall under your shaded area, that's your alternative hypothesis. So you're going to accept your H1 then instead.